Hello students, in this video we will be learning the first activity of computer. For that what you have to do is you have to open MS Word and type the given paragraph. Now how to open MS Word? What do you mean by MS Word? The full form of MS is Microsoft, that is Microsoft Word. How will you open it? First of all, go to the Start menu, All Programs, and you have to go to Microsoft Office. Over here you will get Microsoft Office Word. I'll give you an easier way to open this. First, watch this video. What you have to do is hold down this button. Let me take it back. Hold down this button, that is the Windows button, and then press R. Okay. Now when you do this, now if you can see my cursor is over here, I am pressing the Windows and R key. What opens is Run command, and in Run command what will you type? WINWORD, that is WinWord, and you can press enter or click OK. And you can see MS Word has opened right in front of you. So now what we are going to do is we will start typing the paragraph that is given to us. First line is God always helps. All of them will be in capital letters. And the next line is, if you just take a step in faith, you'll do the right thing. God will do the rest. ... The things you can't do. Then you have to go to the next line and type, God offers to take away your feelings of misery and gloom, and replaces them with peace, beyond understanding and happiness, that is stronger than circumstances. Okay, so we are done with the typing part. Next what you have to do is select the heading using Shift plus arrow key. Heading means God always helps. This is the heading. Now how to use Shift plus arrow key? You can watch this next video. I hope you understood. You can watch it from another angle once again. Hold down the Shift key and you have to keep on pressing this. Okay, I hope you understood. You can do this with a mouse also. You have to click and drag. But this is an easier way because you are using the keyboard right now. Hold down the Shift key and, as I showed you in the video, right arrow. You press it once, it will select one letter. So you have to keep pressing it till it reaches the word helps. And what you have to do is select the heading using Shift plus arrow key. Click the bold button on the Home tab. Home tab is already open. You have to click the bold button. Bold means this. If you click it, see, it will become dark. Next, change the heading font to Arial. It is already selected. Font means how it looks like. you will get the fonts from this part. Click on it and go to Arial and size 16. Size is over here. You have to click on this arrow, you will get the sizes. So this is 16. Select the rest of the text and click on justify button. Rest of the text means from here till here. Select and click on justify button on the home tab. Okay, so we'll select it from here to here. And what we have to do is justify. What is justify? It is this button over here. As you can see, the text is not covering the full thing. You can see there are many spaces also, right? So when you do this, see what happens. It will reach the margin. All the words will touch the margins. You will not get any gaps over here. Now what we have to do is change the font size and set it to 14. It is already selected. Go to this option over here and 14. Save the file and close the Word application by clicking on close button. How do you save a file? Let me show you now. Save is over here, or you can also go to this option and save. Now you can search wherever you want to save this. For example, if you are using any computer, it will directly come to the documents portion. So you can put any name over here. So for example, I'll put computer. The file name is computer and you have to click on save and close. This close button is over here. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you understood it, and nothing to worry. If you do not have a computer, you can just watch this video and understand it. Thank you, students.